Traditional methods can take months or even years. But with 3D printing, the timeline is drastically reduced. Buildings can be printed faster than traditional methods. This rapid construction process not only saves time but also allows for quicker occupancy and use of the buildings. This reduces labor costs and construction time. Fewer workers are needed on site, which also enhances safety and reduces the risk of accidents. Secondly, it allows for complex designs. The precision of 3D printing technology enables architects to bring their most intricate and ambitious designs to life. Architects can now design buildings with intricate features. These features can be produced with a level of detail and accuracy that was previously unattainable with traditional construction methods. These features were previously difficult or impossible to build. The flexibility of 3D printing opens up new possibilities for innovative architectural designs.
The integration of AI in three-dimensional printing is a game-changer for the construction industry. It is truly transforming the construction landscape, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and innovative than ever before. Section 4. Realizing the Vision, 3D Printing AI in Action. Several construction projects worldwide are already using 3D printing AI. These projects showcase its potential.
In Amsterdam, a 3D printed steel bridge has been built. This bridge demonstrates the strength and durability of 3D printed structures.
In China, a company has 3D printed entire apartment buildings. This shows the potential of this technology to address housing needs. Section 5. Shaping the Future of Construction. In this section, we delve into the revolutionary impact of 3D printing AI on the construction industry. 3D printing AI is poised to transform the construction industry. Its efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and ability to create complex designs are unparalleled. The technology allows for the creation of intricate architectural designs that were previously impossible or too costly to achieve.
As the technology evolves, we are witnessing a shift in how buildings are conceptualized and constructed. We can expect to see even more innovative applications, from rapid prototyping to the construction of entire buildings in a fraction of the time. Imagine a future where buildings are printed on demand. Customized homes, sustainable structures, and unique architectural designs will become commonplace. Smart cities with eco-friendly and sustainable buildings will become a reality, thanks to the advancements in 3D printing technology.
3D printing AI is not just changing how we build, it's revolutionizing the entire construction process. It's shaping the future of our built environment, paving the way for a new era of construction that is faster, more efficient, and more sustainable.